Miakena kumoria wari mumbunge wa Laikipia rugongo Matthew Lempurkel kwirikana ni aguthire ikobi mumbunge Sarah Korere. Riu cira uyu ni ukinyite muthia thutha wa igoti kumunyitana mahitia na kumukundika kioho kia mwaka umwe njera hatari mweke wa kuriha ndoco oro yothe. Lempurkel athitangitwo na mahitia ma kugutha ikobi mumbunge wa ihinda riri wa Laikipia North Sarah Korere tariki 21 mweri-ini wa 11 mwaka wa 2016 nyumba-ini ya Harambe guku Nairobi. Kuringana na iratathi ria thitango, Lempurkel aguthire Korere ikobi ria ikairia mwena wa motho na thutha ucio akimurumiriria na mateke manda na kumutiga na nguraro njoru. Mucirithania Hellen Onkwani akiuga mahitia macio ni maiganite oho kioho kia mieri 12.
It was really unfair and we are going to appeal it. The judgment was really biased, unfair. It's really a women issue. So we are going to appeal to that decision on Monday. A thutha continue.
Lempurkel atwirirwo kioho giki thutha wa igoti kuga ati mwena wa thitango ni uheanite wira muiganu wa kuonania ati ni atabanirie giko giki. Idaini ori Mucirithania ni areganire na uge wa mawakiri a Lempurkel makiuga ati ino yari njukaniriro ya kiuteti.
This is about politics. It has this relation because the politics. The incumbent MP knows that he will not come back and I am a threat. So they are using all ways to make sure that I will not be in the ballot. That is the issue of this case. It's about 2022 elections.
Lempurkel ni ogereire kuga ati kamera cia CCTV tia munyitire gitafania giko giki guku Mucirithania gitianirie ihoya riria kiuga haria giko giki gihanikire gutiari na kamera.
An assault case, how can an assault case you cannot be given a fine? You are just confined to sentence without a fine, and it's a constitutional right to be given a fine or a sentence. It's actually it's a biased case. It's unfortunate for this country to have a such ruling at this time. The complainant is a woman, the judge is a woman, the prosecutor is a woman. This is a women issue. That's why that we have the ground to appeal this case.
No na kuri ugo Lempurkel ari na thiku 14 cia gucokia cira riko.
I did not get and I think that she might be also been compromised the way he behaved, because we requested for a fine. Deliberately she refused and she never given a reason why, so she's compromised.
Haduini Hakameme TV ritwa ria kwana wa ng'ombe wa Maina.